Good morning, Starship Travelers. This morning you're going to make a microwave handle with the following instructions. First thing you're going to do is open a new file, and you're going to hide two of the planes you're not going to use. And then select the top plane, and that's where you're going to make a sketch. And that sketch is going to be a center point rectangle that's going to be 50 by 10 millimeters. Then we're going to extrude that up 10 millimeters so that you have actually the base of the handle. Then we're going to select the top of that, and that's where we're going to start another sketch that is just a center point circle right in the center and over towards the left edge. And that's going to be 7 millimeters. And then we're going to dimension that so that it's 5 millimeters from the edge. And we're going to extrude that up 20 millimeters. Now you can see the basic shape that you've created. Now what we're going to do is mirror those features over the right plane. And you can see it just creates another one in exactly the same location on the right side. Now we're going to look at the entire drawing from the bottom, and we're going to create a point that will allow us to drill our holes. And where we want to create that is right on the center line. And we're going to dimension that so that it also is 5 millimeters from the edge. Now we're going to use the hole tool and create a countersunk hole right at that point that we just created. Now we're going to use the mirror tool again and mirror that again over the right plane. Now we're going to select all faces of the handle so that we can create a rounded fillet on the handle edge. So once all of the faces are selected, then you'll select the fillet tool and use a 1 millimeter fillet. Now you've created your microwave handle. Enjoy your flight to Mars.